Struggling with diminishing sex drive, muscle loss, and extra belly fat? You're not alone. Age-related sexual or erectile dysfunction are common conditions which affect over 30 million American men every year. It can have a significant impact on your quality of life, increase stress, and cause embarrassment, feelings of inadequacy, and even depression. But there is a natural solution, a way to turn back the clock and restore full sexual function. For over 20 years, Ben's Natural Health has been helping men improve and maintain their health as they age, without drugs, invasive surgery, or unwanted side effects. Introducing the Sexual Health Program, the world's first and only truly complete, all-natural, multi-hormonal solution to sexual dysfunction, low testosterone, and high estrogen levels. The Sexual Health Program is formulated to restore libido, combat erectile dysfunction, rebalance hormones, and enhance sexual performance and pleasure without the use of pharmaceuticals or side effects. The Sexual Health Program is a combination of our 3 most effective supplements for sexual function and hormone health. Each one is designed to effectively address different aspects of sexual function, hormone health, and libido. This all-natural clinical-grade program is formulated to raise testosterone levels, flush excess estrogen, strengthen erectile function, build lean muscle mass, restore libido and confidence, improve stamina and endurance, enhance cognitive function and focus. The Sexual Health Program is a combination of Testo Booster, Estro Clear, and Male Boost, our 3 most powerful sexual health supplements, each formulated to address and resolve the varied factors that cause sexual dysfunction and poor hormone health. Testo Booster naturally raises testosterone levels and improves endurance. Estro Clear actively flushes excess estrogen from your body to restore hormonal balance, and Male Boost is a powerful, highly effective natural booster for your libido that combats erectile function while increasing your sexual stamina and performance. Each of these supplements have been formulated to work together synergistically to enhance the effectiveness of the other, and all of our ingredients are 100% natural, non-GMO, and certified by U.S. labs to be free from Viagra, sildenafil, or any other pharmaceutical contamination. The ingredients in the Sexual Health Program are scientifically proven in peer-reviewed, double-blind studies to boost low testosterone levels, flush away excess estrogen, and restore hormonal balance and health. All the ingredients are formulated in clinically significant dosages, making the Sexual Health Program the fastest, safest, and most effective way possible to raise your testosterone levels, flush excess estrogen, and reinvigorate your sex life. Let's look at the science of the Sexual Health Program and why it works. Testo Booster, the first supplement in the program, is a unique formulation of 7 powerful nutrient compounds which have been proven to increase free testosterone levels quickly, safely, and without side effects. Clinical trials have shown that Tongkat Ali, one of the essential nutrients in Testo Booster, increases free testosterone levels by up to 61%. Tongkat Ali has also been proven to boost libido by nearly 10%, increase sperm quality and volume, improve mood, and overall quality of life. Lots of companies claim to use Tongkat Ali in their supplements, but either adulterate it with pharmaceuticals or use ineffective or imitation Tongkat Ali. Real Tongkat Ali must be concentrated and aged for at least 10 years, otherwise it is not effective. Only Testo Booster contains Tongkat Ali that has been certified by our suppliers and tested in US-based laboratories to confirm that it is 100% genuine and aged for 10 years for maximum purity, strength, and efficacy. Maca root is another essential ingredient in Testo Booster that has been proven in clinical trials to increase libido, reduce erectile dysfunction, and boost energy and endurance. One study found that men who took a small dose of maca root per day experienced increased sexual desire compared to those who received a placebo. But Testo Booster isn't the only supplement on the program. As men age, they become more susceptible to a condition called estrogen dominance, which often results in men having higher estrogen levels than their wives. Symptoms include abdominal weight gain, fatigue, brain fog, sexual dysfunction, irritability, low libido, depression, and anxiety. Which is exactly why we've included Estro Clear as part of the sexual health program. Estro Clear was specifically formulated to naturally and safely reduce high estrogen levels from your blood, helping you to fully restore optimal hormone health, and as a result, enjoy a better, healthier sex life. Estro Clear contains 6 potent ingredients that work to flush excess estrogen from your system. Ingredients like calcium D-glucarate, which has been proven in clinical studies to reduce the number of estrogen receptors in human cells by up to 48%, and has been shown to lower serum estrogen levels in estrogen-dominant men by up to 23%. And dindolyl methane, another key compound included in Estro Clear, which has been extensively researched for its potent effect on estrogen metabolism. Dindolyl methane works to keep the estrogen levels in your body healthy and balanced by preventing the conversion of testosterone into estrogen, something that is vital if you want to restore your hormone health. It also actively converts stronger forms of estrogen into less potent forms, reducing the overall effects of estrogen in the male body. That's why we included 200 milligrams of dindolyl methane in every dose of Estro Clear. These are just 2 out of the 6 powerful nutrients we have included in our Estro Clear formulation to help you combat high estrogen levels, balance your hormone levels, and restore male energy to your body and mind. Male Boost is the 3rd and final supplement we've included in the sexual health program. It is a powerful formulation of 9 herbal extracts, each of which has been proven in peer-reviewed, double-blind studies to improve blood flow and increase free testosterone and strengthen erections. Male Boost contains herbs such as Tribulus terrestris, which has a powerful effect on sexual stimulation and erectile function. One study found that men who took 750 milligram doses of Tribulus terrestris reported significantly higher scores on the International Index of Erectile Dysfunction, the clinical standard for assessing ED and treatment outcomes. Another clinical trial looked at the efficacy of Tribulus for the treatment of men with erectile dysfunction. After 12 weeks, 68% of the control group reported improved erections and recorded significantly higher scores than baseline on the International Index of Erectile Dysfunction. Other ingredients like Avena sativa, commonly called milky oat seed, have consistently been shown to have positive sexual stimulating effects. Researchers during one clinical trial, which took place at the Institute for Advanced Study of Human Sexuality, gave participants a 300 milligram dose of Avena sativa for 6 weeks. The control group experienced increased sex drive, enhanced erections, and more pleasure during sex than the group taking a placebo. That's why we've included an extract of this libido-boosting, erection-enhancing herb in our all-natural Male Boost formula. By joining the sexual health program, you don't have to worry about buying the wrong supplements, ones that use cheap synthetic ingredients that don't work, or adulterated pharmaceuticals that cause side effects. When you join the program today, you won't just see an immediate improvement in your sex life and an overall improvement in your general health as well. Being on the program will make it easier to build lean muscle, restore your libido and endurance, raise your testosterone levels while flushing out excess estrogen. The sexual health program also contains nutrients that works to improve your cardiovascular health, improve your mood, confidence, and cognitive function, and help you restore your strong, masculine physique. The sexual health program is a complete all-natural solution to age-related testosterone decline, estrogen dominance, and sexual dysfunction. The high-quality ingredients we use in our supplements, the scientific formulation process, the 20-year track record of success, and the fact that we have thousands of genuine and verified reviews from our community is why over 92% of men who have tried the sexual health program would recommend it to a friend, and why it has an average rating of 4 out of 5 on Trustpilot. The sexual health program has no lock-ins, no prepayments, no minimum duration, and shipping is always free. You have complete control of your program. You can pause, cancel, or reschedule your deliveries at any time and will always be notified in advance. Sexual Health Program members receive additional bonuses such as free seasonal supplements designed to support your health year-round, early access to our latest publications, books, and reports, and priority customer support from our team. The Sexual Health Program is formulated to help raise testosterone levels, flush excess estrogen, strengthen erectile function, build lean muscle mass, restore libido and confidence, improve stamina and endurance, enhance cognitive function and focus. To ensure the Sexual Health Program meets our high-quality standards, every vitamin, mineral, and nutrient is grown, sourced, and manufactured in the United States. We frequently audit our supply chain to ensure no contaminated, adulterated, or lower-quality ingredients are included in our supplements. The supplements are encapsulated at GMP-certified and FDA-audited facilities and undergo quality, efficacy, and safety testing at independent third-party US-based laboratories to ensure that each bottle is perfect. The Sexual Health Program is GMO-free, drug-free, and all-natural, and you do not require a prescription or doctor's note to get it. So order now with complete confidence and start your journey to restored sexual function today.
The amount of nighttime trips to the bathroom.
Best supplement I've ever taken for my prostrate.
They are better than I have found, and I've used supplements.
That's my advice to you. Go and take your pill.
I recommend it very.
So I hope if you guys haven't tried it, give it a shot. Thank you.